Hey, what's going on everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video we're going to be talking about the 1 Minute Millionaire AHA number 14, Loveridge. All right, so today we're going to be talking about AHA number 14 from the 1 Minute Millionaire, and this AHA is called Loveridge, like a play on love and leverage. Loveridge. So here we go. It is much easier to ride a horse in the direction that it's going. Abraham Lincoln said that quote. So to become rich 1 minute at a time requires that you do what you love doing and you are passionate about it. Our friend Mike Littman has coined a word to describe the power that flows from a person who is living the charmed life. Loveridge. So the success of the enlightened millionaire is derived from Loveridge. Remember, the force that propels human action is emotion. Feelings, not cold cognitions, drive enlightened millionaires to turn good ideas into great value. If you love what you are doing, it is much easier. So go back to the 13th AHA. If you have not yet, go back to the previous video. You can also find the link to that video down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well and click that all button so you can see all the videos. But go back to the number 13 of the AHAs, which is tap into your genius. And in that video, there's going to be a link to a PDF that you can use if you haven't used it already, where you can create your genius list. And we're going to talk a little bit about that here. So you're going to use your genius list to make your emotions sing. That way you get your emotions really riled up and find out what you're really into, what you really love to do, and what you're really passionate about. So that way you can pursue it as a profession to make some real serious income and become an enlightened millionaire ultimately. So which items on your genius list make your emotions sing? List them all below. And so right now what you'll do is there's going to be your potential path to riches. And you can see right here, there's 4 lines and you're going to write them down. So my potential path to riches list. Number 1, blank, right? So we kind of talked about this yesterday. One of my potential paths to riches is speaking about motivational speaking, about personal growth and personal development. This YouTube channel is another one, and a couple of other things. And those are the things that emotionally drive me to want to be passionate about making a living. Those are what I really want to do ultimately. Another one is real estate investment, because I want to build wealth. I don't want to be rich. I want to have wealth. So there's so much wealth that I can pass it on to my family as well. So I just wanted to kind of cover that with you real quick. Now, Bright House is an ideation company. An ideation company. So what is that? Bright House is an ideation company. And what that is a perfect example of Loveridge at work. They charge clients like Coca-Cola, Georgia Pacific, and Hardee's between $500,000 to $1 million for a single idea. Could you imagine? That is freaking insane. For one idea, they charge them $1 million. So Joey Ryman of Bright House says, "We do heartstorming, not brainstorming. Creativity is much more about what people feel than what they think." So again, people buy on emotion, people act on emotion. Obviously, there are some people that are very logical only, but even logical people, you can strike emotion in them and get them to make and take action as far as that goes. So becoming an enlightened millionaire, 1 Minute Millionaire, is easy as 1, 2, 3. So here it goes. Write this down. Make sure you get a pen and paper. Jot it down in the notes in your phone. Pause this if you need to go get a pen. Number 1, do what you love. Do what you love. And that's, for some people, it's like, it sounds insane. You may be doing a job that you absolutely hate, and that is totally fine if that's how you're making a living, because you don't want to go broke. But at the same time, find some time to do what you love on the side and build that as long as you're going, right? So one of my mentors, Jim Rohn, said, build your wealth on the side while you're working your 9 to 5. right? So you can build your dream on the side while you're working your 9 to 5. And then eventually, once you're making more money on your side hustle, you can quit your 9 to 5 because you have more money over there anyway. And then you can ultimately live the life of freedom, which we talked about in AHA number 12 and 11 as well. So go back and watch those videos also. Number 2, add enormous value. So what's really great is providing value. So in order to become wealthy, you must give. And what you're going to be giving ultimately is value. So no matter what you are doing to really ultimately make it huge, become a millionaire, is you're going to be providing value for something. People are going to be willing to spend money on it, or they're going to be willing to spend their time on it. Like, for example, the YouTube channel. Some people may not ever even spend any money. There may not be anything for sale on my YouTube channel, but people are going to spend time by watching my channel, investing in me, watching, learning, stuff like that from me. So add enormous value. And I hope I'm bringing value to you. I hope you love watching my videos, and that's why you keep coming back. I am super passionate about this, and I want that to come across to you as far as that goes. But you need to add enormous value to people. So for example, in real estate, me and my company that I work with, we add enormous value to real estate investors because we help them cut out the hard work of trying to find properties. It's a really tough job to do that. Well, we've mastered how to find properties for them, and then we take a little tiny bit off the top and we pass the deals on to them. And then of course, with the internet marketing thing, I provide value with the internet marketing deal, winwithryan.com. If you're in a marketing company or you're in a business that's an online business and you need sales and leads, go to winwithryan.com. Go ahead and sign up for free, and you get an entire marketing system. It's an entire blueprint of how to get leads online for free. Like, come on, that's enormous value. Everything that we're doing at Win with Ryan is nothing but pure value, and you will absolutely love that. And then number 3 is leverage it. Leverage it, right? Make money from those things. So do what you love, add value because you're doing what you love, and then leverage that to make money off of it. And do it with value, and do it with honor, and do it with love, so you can leverage what you're doing. So this is the path millionaires follow. When you walk it, you can become a millionaire. So again, that is the 1 Minute Millionaire. I hope you enjoyed tonight's video. Don't forget to watch the next video. It is going to be absolutely incredible. Also, don't forget to go to winwithryan.com, sign up for your free account, and get rocking and making some sales and getting leads online for free. Have a wonderful day.